In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 7 things you should prioritize spending your money on, and this is regardless of where you are in your financial journey right now. Now, you will agree with me that if you are currently making money right now for yourself and you are looking to make good financial decisions, now there are so many things competing for your attention and for your money, whether it is to add value to yourself, whether it is to secure your future, whether it is to invest, or whether it is to create meaningful experiences. Different things out there are competing for your money every single day. So it is your choice to now pick which of these things you want to spend your money on, because managing your finances wisely is about making intentional choices with your money. So in this video, like I said earlier, I'll be sharing with you the 7 things you should actually spend your money on. So with that being said, let's go straight to the point. Now, the first one is spending your money on emergency fund. Now, if you have been following me on this channel for a very long time, you definitely know that I always preach about having emergency funds. And that's simply because having emergency funds really helped me achieve most of the things I have today right now. And I started saving for my emergencies in my first year in the university. And by the time I was done with school, I had so much money in my emergency savings. And I have now used some part of that money to achieve a lot of things for myself. Now, you see, an emergency fund is the cornerstone or the foundation of financial stability. And that is why it is the first priority for your money. An emergency fund is like a designated savings account specifically created to cover unexpected expenses or maybe your financial emergencies. And it acts as a safety net to protect you from the financial impact of unforeseen events like maybe medical emergencies, or maybe you even lose your job or any other unexpected circumstances out there. So having an emergency fund provides you with the sense of security and also peace of mind. And it also ensures that you have funds readily available to handle any urgent financial needs without relying on things like maybe loans or even borrowing money from others. So you can see that I have just listed so many benefits of having an emergency fund. So please, after watching this video right now, ensure you start working on having your own emergency savings. It is very, very important. So that is number 1. Now, if I go to number 2, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to Personal Finance Circle. On this YouTube channel, we teach you how to make money, how to invest your money, and how to manage your money the right way. So please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please like this video. Thank you. Now, the second thing you should actually spend your money on will be on investment. Now, you see, investments are one of the most important things you must prioritize with your money. And that is because investing your money can have a significant impact on your financial future. You know, investing involves you putting your money into like assets with the expectation of generating a return or profit over a particular period of time. So it simply means maybe you invest your money in a property, a coin, a stock, or whatever, and then you are expecting it to make profit for you. And when you are investing, there's also something called compound interest, or the power of compounding, whichever way you want to call it. Now, you see, the power of compounding allows your investment to grow exponentially over the years. So what this basically means is that let's assume you invest, let's say $1,000 today to get 20% returns after 1 year. Now, you see, at the end of your investment, you now have $1,200. Now, you see, with the power of compounding, instead of investing $1,000 back into that investment, you now invest $1,200 for 20% returns, and then you get $240 as profit. So you see that you have made more profit than what you made in the first year. So that's the power of compound interest. And it goes on like that every time you apply it. It is one of the best ways to get more returns or more profit from your investment. And you also need to know that it can make more money for you only if you start investing as early as possible. Now, there are different ways you can invest your money. You have different options like stocks, you have bonds, you have mutual funds, you have index funds, you have real estate, you have crypto, you have a lot of different investments out there. But what you need to know is that each of these investments has its own risk. So it's important that you diversify your portfolio and do your research very, very well before you put your money into any form of investment. Very, very important. So with that being said, if you want to learn about any of these investments I've just mentioned, we have videos about them on our YouTube channel. So please feel free to ask me for anyone you want in the comment section below, and I'll reply to your comment with the links to the videos. Thank you. Now, before we go to number 3, I quickly want to talk about my app, the Growny app, because I'm sure most of you must have been wondering what Growny is all about. Now, in case you don't know, the Growny app is a budgeting app that my team and I are currently building to help you track and monitor your income and expenses. So basically, on the app, you create a budget, and at the end of the month, we send you a report of how you spent your money and how you made money that month. And we also give you tips that can help you make better money decisions. Now, our goal with the Growing app is basically to help you grow your finances. So please, if you want to learn more about the app or you want to use the app when it is ready, just click on the first link in the description below or the link in the pinned comment of this video to join the waitlist for Growing. And we will definitely notify you once the app is ready. Thank you. Now let's go back into the video. Now the third thing you should be spending your money on will be on education. Now you see, investing in education is important at any stage of your life. Now you see, this particular education I'm talking about could mean maybe pursuing a new degree, or maybe enrolling in vocational training, or maybe learning digital skills, or maybe taking online courses, attending workshops, or even earning professional certifications out there. Now you see, education equips you with the necessary skills and expertise that you need to thrive in your chosen career or maybe in any field you belong to. And continuous learning also provides a broader perspective and a deeper understanding of your industry and the world around you. And it also increases your earning potential, which is very, very important. The more you learn, the more money you can be able to make in whatever career you are or whatever field you are. And you also need to know that investing in your education is a long-term investment in yourself and in your future. So please make this one a priority. Now, the fourth one to spend your money on will be spending on high income skills. Now, you see, there is no doubt that having valuable skills that are in demand right now can significantly increase your earning potential and even open up more career opportunities for you. And when I'm talking about high income skills, I'm talking about skills that are highly sought after and skills that can command a higher salary for you. And these skills are specific to certain industries out there or maybe certain professions, and they require consistent or constant learning and development. So by spending money on acquiring high income skills, you are equipping yourself with the tools and the expertise that can set you apart from others and also make you a valuable asset wherever you find yourself. And these high income skills can include things like maybe coding, programming, digital marketing, data analysis, AI, graphic design, copywriting, project management, and sales and marketing. That one is very important. You can make a lot of money from sales and so on like that. Now, these are skills that are in high demand across different industries and they offer high earning potential. Now, you see, another thing you need to know is that just like how investing in your education is a long-term investment in yourself, also, investing in high-income skills can also be a long-term investment in your financial future. So please make the wise investment of acquiring high-income skills and always position yourself for a successful future. Now, before I continue with this video, I want to let you know that I have just launched my ebook on the Nigerian stock market guide for beginners. Now, this is not like every other ebook you have out there with a bunch of loads that you don't learn anything at all. This one is different. Now, let me tell you what you'll be learning from this new ebook of mine. Now, the first thing is that you'll be learning how the Nigerian stock market works. A lot of people are just investing in stocks. They don't even know how the stock market works at all. You'll be learning this in this ebook. The second thing you'll be learning is how to actually analyze a stock before you even buy it. A lot of people don't even know how to analyze stocks at all. You'll be learning this in this ebook. The third thing is you'll be learning how to build a diversified stock portfolio that will make you consistent income. Number four, you will also be learning how to invest in dividend stocks that can be giving you passive income consistently. And number five, you will also be learning risk management in the stock market, which is very, very important. A lot of people are just investing in stocks and losing money. They don't understand risk management in the stock market. So you'll be learning this in this ebook too. And for number six, you'll also be learning how to invest from the diaspora. So for those of you that are in the US, in the UK, or anywhere outside Nigeria, I also want to invest in the stock market, this ebook is for you. And lastly, you'll also be learning a realistic roadmap to building your first 1 million naira portfolio in the stock market, no matter your income at all. So no matter your salary or the amount of money you are making every month right now, I stated or I built a way for you to build your first 1 million naira portfolio in the stock market. So you can see that you are learning a whole lot from this ebook. Now, if you are getting this ebook right now, you can get this for 50% discount. Yes, if you are getting it right now, you can get it for 50% discount, and it is only for the first 100 people. So if you want to get it or if you are interested, click on the first link in the description of this video, or you can check the pinned comment of this video for the link to get the ebook. Thank you, and let's go on with the video. Now, the fifth way to spend your money is spending it on personal finance education. Now, you see, this one is different from the formal education I mentioned in number 3. Now, this one is called personal finance education. Now, what do I mean by this? Now, you see, personal finance basically means learning how to actually spend money, how to make money, and how to manage your money the right way. And personal finance books and educational resources out there, they provide valuable knowledge and insight into managing your finances effectively and also making good decisions with your money. And personal finance education covers a wide range of topics. It includes things like budgeting, saving money, investing money, managing debt, tax planning, building wealth, making money, and so on. And when you invest money in personal finance education, you can actually gain a better understanding of how to handle money, how to set your financial goals, and even how to create a solid financial plan for yourself and for your future. And personal finance resources like personal finance books, videos, articles, and so on out there, they can offer you all of this advice and strategies to help you manage your income, your expenses, and your investments. And they can also provide you with guidance on how to create and stick to a budget, which is very, very important. So it is important to understand all of these things, and you can learn all these things only when you focus on educating yourself about personal finance. And basically, you can get personal finance education through personal finance books, personal finance courses, personal finance podcasts, or from financial advisors, or basically from this YouTube channel. We have so many videos that can help you to get better with your personal finance. We make videos on how to make money, how to invest your money, and how to manage your money the right way. And that is the reason why you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. And by the way, if you're looking for personal finance books to read this year, I have a list of 10 personal finance books you must read if you want to grow your finances. So if you need it, just ask for it in the comment section below. I will definitely reply you with the list of those 10 personal finance books. Thank you. Now, the sixth thing to spend your money on is spending it on meaningful experiences. Now, what do I mean by this? Now, you see, while most of this list focuses on building wealth or maybe financial security, it is equally important to actually spend money on meaningful experiences. And when I say meaningful experiences, I mean things like travel experiences that could expose you to new cultures, or maybe quality time with your loved ones, or it could be you pursuing different hobbies and passions that interest you. And these experiences are things that can last with you for a very long period of time. So for example, traveling exposes you to diverse perspectives and it challenges your comfort zone. It also allows you to step outside of your familiar surroundings and gain a deeper understanding of the world in general, at least to be able to see the other parts of the world, not just where you are or where your surroundings out there. It is always good to invest money in experiences with your family and friends too, because it helps to strengthen your relationship and create like a support network that is invaluable throughout life. So it is very, very important. So as you're investing money or spending money on your financial investments, also make sure that you are spending money on your personal growth, your happiness, and different experiences out there. But the main thing right here is to find the balance. Don't go and spend too much money on traveling and getting experiences and forget about your savings and investments, please. That is very, very important. So that's number 6. Now for number 7, I will always advise to spend money on your health. This one is very, very important. Now you need to know that your health is your most valuable asset, not your crypto, not your stocks. And you see, investing in your health should be a non-negotiable financial priority, because without good health, all the wealth in the world becomes meaningless. So your health deserves financial investment on its own. And investing in your health includes things like spending money on quality health care, such as regular checkups, or maybe preventive care, or maybe health insurance, which is very compulsory or very important. And it's always better and more cost effective to actually prevent health issues than to actually go and treat them later. Very, very important. So please, if you're already making good money for yourself right now, please spend money on your health. It is a very important priority. And please take care of your physical body and your mental health. Those two are very important. The physical body and your mental health. And please, always remember that you can't enjoy your financial success if you are not healthy enough to live the life that you have worked so hard to build. So please, again, make sure your health is a top financial priority. So that is it for this video. These are the 7 important things you should actually spend your money on. And like I said earlier, don't forget to join the waitlist for the Growing app. The link will be in the description below, or you check the pinned comment of this video. And don't forget also, if you need our videos on different investments, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll reply to you with the links to this videos. And you can also check out the 2 videos showing on the screen right now. They're also videos about investments. So go ahead and click on any of these videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.